Okay, now I'm directly behind. Wow. That is cool. I'm gonna head this way and get a view from the other side. Hope we don't have any water on the lens. Look at that. See if I can get to a place here. There we go. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Twin Falls, Idaho. We are here in the Snake River Canyon. You can see the canyon walls up here and across the way. Plenty of awesome canyon walls. I didn't know much about this area until I started looking it all up, and I was like, oh yeah, Snake River Canyon. That's where Evel Knievel did his jump. So I knew about, then I was like, oh yeah, Snake River Canyon. I have heard of that. So we decided we're going to do a couple quick things here while we're in the area. So if you've been following us, we've been living in Yakima, Washington for the last 3 months, and we are headed back to the East Coast. So we figure we hit a few spots on the way home. So we are heading to Salt Lake City. We are 7 hours from Yakima, and we stayed here the night. And so here first thing in the morning, we're going to do this, I think it's Perrine Coulee hike. And I was looking for the hike and I can't really tell. There's a trail here, but I can't find a trail. This is a little bit of a lot, but so I think we're just going to drive up, because I know you can park up there and just walk to it. So I think that's what we're going to end up doing, and we'll just walk around the edge. There's also a hiking trail that goes all the way across along the rim here. I think it's just Rim Canyon Trail, and that's about 10 miles long. And we might do some of that. We talked about it. I don't know. We'll see how the hiking around the waterfall goes. So we're here on June 19th, 2025. It's beautiful weather. I don't know what the temperature is, but it's got to be, let's see, my phone says it's at least 70. So very comfortable. It's supposed to get up to, I think, 90 today. Quite hot here in June in Idaho. So we're gonna do that. Oh yeah, and you can see this awesome bridge we came across on the drive. Right across there. Pretty amazing area. So let's go ahead, we're gonna drive up and we're gonna park up on the road closer to the Perrine Coulee, and then we'll do a little hike around there, and I'll show you that. And then we'll do probably one more thing in a different video here in Twin Falls. So let's go ahead and get up there. Okay, so we're getting little water trickles here on this rock wall here. They're up top, and there is a handful of parking spots here just to pull off of this hairpin. I know that people used to park right on the hairpin, but it looks like they have signs up not allowed to park there anymore. So only about 5 spots, so you got to get a little lucky, especially at probably certain times of the year, to get a spot here. And we're gonna hike here to the little waterfall, which should be right here. Okay, so this is gonna be one of the shortest hikes we did, if you call us a hike, but it's gonna be cool from what I saw online. Let's see here, getting our first up close glimpses here. There we go. That's pretty cool. You need me in front of you?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Watch where you place your hands for snakes.
Yep. Okay. Let's go here. Okay. As you can see, not the most super accessible, but it is very short, so if you can get through it, you can get there in short time. There we go. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And so there is a hiking trail here where we can go all the way up, down and around. So we will head that way. Look at that. Whew. It's got to be 100 feet high or so, maybe higher. Really cool. Yeah. You like it?
He went,
oh. Okay. Go ahead, do the hike down below. Okay. And we're getting a side view. A little muddy, so we're gonna have to watch our feet. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? And the coolest part of this is there's no real hike leading up to it. You just get here and 2 minutes later, you're right here on the trail at the waterfall. We have hiked many a mile to get a view like that. Very cool. We got to get behind it now, right?
yeah.
Go ahead and zip behind it here. Okay, we're getting here, just behind it, and we are getting a little bit of rain on us. Dripped on. I got some big ones here on the side of my face. But here we are, beneath and behind the falls. Woo! It gets mistier over here. Woo-hoo. Woo. If it was a little warmer, it would be nicer. Okay, now I'm directly behind. Wow. That is cool. I'm gonna head this way and get a view from the other side. Hope we don't have any water on the lens. Look at that. See if I can get to a place here. There we go. Wow. Well, I wouldn't call this one of like the most amazing hikes we've ever done, but it's definitely one of the cooler locations we've ever been to. Find a spot here that's a little bit dry. Yeah, Micah likes it. Wow. So I think from here we're gonna head ahead and head back up. I might try and stop on the ledge here, the trail, the canyon rim trail, just so we can get some views from the rim real quick and show you that before we head on to our next spot, which will be in a different video. Okay, so we are here at the Twin Falls Area Chamber of Commerce, the visitor center here, just not the rim trail. And we're just gonna come and get a view here. We're right next to that bridge here, and you can see the trail kind of continues here. This is a 10-mile long trail, so it goes, I want to say it goes a few miles at least that way, and maybe 7 miles that way or so I'm just guessing off the looks on the maps. I don't really know. But looks like we got some base jumpers here. So that'll be cool. I'd like to see that. But so let's go ahead and get to the overlook and get some views here from the edge. Oh, somebody's got their drone up. And there you go. Wow. And just right over here I see a paddle boarder. Crazy. Kinda reminds me of the one we did, the king we were at in Montenegro. Maybe not as deep. That one was definitely deeper than this, but similar distance across. I think that one was like 1,000 meters or something. And we did the zip line across. So I'm not planning on getting my drone out for this one. I know you guys like the drone shots, but not today. Although maybe the next place I will get some cool shots.
The lizard.
Wow. Yeah. And just for reference over here, the hairpin turns. We were just right over there at the, I think I'm pointing at the hairpin turns, but right there somewhere, that's where we were parked for that waterfall hike we just did. And I mean, what a cool place for a golf course there, huh? Right in the middle of the valley. Pretty cool. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go over under this bridge part over here. Let's see if we can see anything over there. So I guess I'm guessing these base jumpers, it looks like they're some type of professional outfit. You got like a cooler, so that makes you official, I think. That makes you legitimate. I'm guessing they're gonna jump off the bridge, right? That's the B in base is bridge, I think. Bridge, antenna, something elevation maybe? Can't remember what base is short for. If you know, put it in the comments below. Very green water, not blue, green, very green. You've seen lots of like bluey green waters, and this one, very green. Cool. So far this town looks pretty sweet. Sorry we're only passing through, but at least we made a stop here. We're gonna see this, we're gonna see one more thing. Not too far from here, as we go into the bridge here, see if we get another view. But maybe an area that we could come back to, because I've got another handful of things that we could do. Well, it looks like there's a really good hiking trail here, and I see some more borders there on the water. Wow. Cool. So that's just a little stop here in Twin Falls, Idaho. I'm gonna wrap the video up here. If you like the video, hit the like button now. If you have any comments, questions, anything we missed, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Got maybe another 3 or 4 videos here from out west and in United States here before we head off to Europe later this summer. So that's another reason to subscribe if you like Europe videos too. We're going to be out in Europe for almost a full month filming, doing all sorts of fun stuff out there. Oh, before I jump, oh, here we go, base jumping. Probably tells us what base stands for. Base acronyms, building, not bridge. Building, antenna, span, earth. I did get antenna right. So, and the bridge is 148 meters, or almost 500 feet high. So yeah, I guess this is the base jump in place. Very cool. Would love to see these guys go, but they're packing up, so I imagine it's still going to be another hour or so before they actually jump. Okay, now I can go ahead and end the video here. So like, comment, subscribe. I did not just trip. Until then, see you in the next one.